Is it time to say goodbye to smartphones for good? Ever since Apple introduced the iPhone, we've been amazed, wondering if anything could ever match its revolutionary impact. Could any other device rival the iPhone's novelty and intelligence? Well, guess what? We may have found the answer. After months of anticipation, Rabbit-R1 has finally made its debut at CES 2024, sparking excitement among tech enthusiasts like wildfire. It gained so much attention that its first 3 batches of 10,000 units sold out within 4 days of its announcement, even before its official launch. However, there have been reports of scams involving fake Rabbit-R1 units. So does this mean people will prefer this pocket-sized tech marvel over smartphones? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. So stick with us to discover all the details about this exciting new gadget. What is Rabbit-R1 and what are incentives behind its introduction? Well, let's first travel back to the birth story of the remarkable company called Rabbit. This innovative tech startup is located in the United States, and they created a device set to redefine the industry, unlike your typical smartphones. But this cutting-edge invention is not intended to replace your smartphones, but rather complement them in ways never seen before. So, what exactly is this vibrant gadget? It's more than just a new piece of tech. It's an introduction to the world of AI agents. You can call them your assistants who don't just understand your needs, but actively work to fulfill them. The inventors of Rabbit-R1 don't tell you to abandon your mobile phones. Instead, convince you with their fascinating reasons to give their small device a try, and who knows, in the future, you might find yourself relying on it more than your smartphones. However, while we put our tech glasses on, we can see that the Rabbit-R1 is designed to be controlled using an analog scroll wheel, a push-to-talk button, and your voice. It looks a bit like a modern foldable flip phone. Unlike smartphones, the Rabbit-R1 doesn't unflip to a larger display. It conveniently slips into your pocket since it's half of the height of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, making it less of a fashion statement and a bit more subtle to carry around. On the flip side, it has a rotating camera too, called the Rabbit Eye, paired with a scroll wheel to navigate through cards presented on the 2.28-inch touchscreen with a MediaTek Helio P35 processor with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It also has a SIM slot for cellular capabilities, making it an all-in-one. After focusing on all these qualities, this device definitely puts something new on the table. Like Steve Jobs' groundbreaking introduction of the iPhone in 2007, they are laying the foundation for an equally notable storyline. But when he introduced the iPhone, he mentioned that it comes with a keypad, and that was the critical point because before that, the stylus was the go-to tool for interacting with touchscreens. Hence, Steve confidently declared, "Let's ditch the stylus and use our fingers instead." He says, "We've got you covered with an amazing user interface, UI, that will blow your mind. Once you start interacting with the iPhones, get ready to witness a revolution in the way we do things." And so, the story of smartphones began its exciting journey, and our reliance on smartphones has spanned many years. However, we are still thinking about what we will get on this new device to type a keypad, stylus, or something new. But actually, we have piece of sure news that Rabbit-R1 will get rid of what you often use on your smartphones. Any guesses? Well, it's none other than apps. There is an abundance of apps available for every task under the sun. From ordering food to booking flights, you just name it, and there's an app for it. And today's mobile phone UIs are jam-packed with an abundance of applications. Your phone is packed with numerous apps ready to assist you with any task. Every app has their own UI and preferences for organizing their digital lives. As a result, juggling between various apps often leaves you feeling a tad bewildered and unsure of where to start. What app should I use to complete this task? It's the challenge Rabbit is trying to overcome, and it will meet all the tasks, whatever and whenever you need to do. Its unique features. So, let's explore what Rabbit-R1 aims to achieve. First, take a closer look at their impressive showcase, Rabbit's Large Action Model, LM, designed to make AI interactions more actionable. Now look at that. During the demonstrations, the CEO demonstrated exceptional articulation of thoughts, suggesting that Rabbit-R1 can achieve tasks similar to ChatGPT, Google Assistant, and Siri, but with superior results. However, Rabbit-R1 not only completed this task, but it also went above and beyond the usual results of other AI software. What exactly did it do? The access was granted to it through Shopify's web portal, and as a result, the entire Shopify library became readily accessible. Afterward, you can request songs or even inquire about lyrics. The possibilities are endless. That fascinating notion truly captivated my attention. Additionally, the command was given that he needed to arrange for a taxi to transport him one location to another. Rabbit-R1 then presented the cab option and assured him that you could easily confirm the booking. He proceeded to mention that there were 4 people along with their luggage. Now the question arises, which vehicle will be available for him? Consequently, the device gave the desired results. In addition to that, he demonstrated how to utilize its camera. He first showed its refrigerator, which was full of vegetables and various other items. And then he simply asked, Look at all of these ingredients I have here. Tell me, what delectable dish can I make using these items? Something that's not just tasty, but also nourishing. Excitedly, the results unveiled the entire recipe collection right before our eyes. So, let me clarify. The tasks we usually accomplish through various mobile phone applications can be easily done here within a few seconds and in one move. Moreover, this device doesn't require any additional applications for that purpose. Its part in revolution. This all looks quite intriguing. It's clear that these people are attempting to introduce something groundbreaking here, but what I'm seeing doesn't resemble Apple's Vision Pro or Google Glass. It seems to be something entirely different. Here we won't be donning a large, bulky headset or perhaps even carrying around an AI pin of sorts. Whatever the case may be, this device epitomizes practicality. In simple words, Rabbit-R1 will revolutionize personal tech with its unique AI. And it's so unique that people are curious whether they will need to connect this device to the laptop to teach it. Just like this guy, I must say, this device is convenient, making it a must-have for many. Because not only is the price affordable, but it also allows most people to try it out and see for themselves. In addition, it also assists with your daily chores. There might be occasions when you need to go somewhere, and that's when the navigation comes in handy. With just a single click, you can effortlessly get all the directions. Comparison with smartphones. Now that you're familiar with this device, let's the debate about whether it will completely replace smartphones or simply enhance them. Astonishingly, Siri has been around for over a decade, yet the problem persists. Both Siri and Google Assistant, unfortunately, struggle to comprehend certain queries, leaving us with nothing but Google search results. It's a recurrent obstacle we encounter when seeking assistance from these apps. However, Rabbit-R1 is rumored to be faster, promising accurate results and capable of learning from various sources. What makes this device truly unique is the opportunity to teach the Rabbit OS. Whatever your goals may be, this platform has got you covered. So, here is the kick. The CEO himself showcased an exceptional demonstration of Midjourney, where, by utilizing Midjourney, they created an image presented during the demo, and look, it quickly grasped the teach mode, enabling it to flawlessly perform the task thereafter. The adaptability of the Rabbit-R1 is evidently a significant feature. And it wasn't enough. The artificial intelligence hardware will be developed that will help make your routine tasks less hassle while acquiring the knowledge autonomously. How to make the most of your mobile phone? Which app do you use? What's your go-to activity? Rabbit-R1's AI is here to learn from your preferences and lend a helping hand. So say goodbye to repetitive tasks, my friend. Teach the AI that task just once, and it will be able to perform it repeatedly. Alternatively, if you have a specific task in mind, the AI can learn it independently. This is an advanced form of artificial intelligence, focusing on practical applications rather than image generation or casual chatting like ChatGPT. It's all about taking action, something that you need to do yourself in today's world. No need to worry about it, AI will take care of everything for you. Rabbit has crafted this very thing, and it's Rabbit-R1 that comes with this device. Its weaknesses. Nevertheless, there are a few crucial aspects to consider. To keep the price down, certain compromises have been made. The shiny plastic surface is a magnet for fingerprints, the rear speaker is pretty tinny, and the SIM card tray supports only 4G LTE speeds, which raises the question of how fast AI requests will run over data speeds like this. Surprisingly, in the demo, the CEO concealed numerous elements within the presentation, including the vision behind it. But in the end, how much time do we have to observe and analyze things? We're all impatient, aren't we? This impatience could pose a problem when scanning items with its camera. Just picture this. In a recent video showcase, careful examination of a hand sanitizer proved to be time-consuming. Even this person on X has also mentioned how he is skeptical about the actual functionality of all the features explained in the demo. However, the company has assured everyone that their team is currently putting efforts into this matter. Additionally, they are gradually enhancing their progress in this regard. They even mentioned that you'll achieve quicker outcomes compared to Google Assistant, Siri, or ChatGPT. What lies beyond this mystery? Right now, the whole digital world remains silent on the matter. Only when it finally hits the market will its true nature be revealed. But let me share with you a secret. But one thing we can assure you is that the future holds incredible advancements in AI hardware. So brace yourself for monumental changes. The level at which smartphones have been operating has already hit a pinnacle, leaving little room for further improvements. However, the anticipation for the next groundbreaking innovation is palpable, and AI hardware will be the one to deliver it. Get ready for a revolution. While wrapping up, it's safe to say that the iPhone or Samsung will remain the first choices of our youngsters because of the jack-of-all-trade quality most recent smartphone models are holding, S23 Ultra. Because despite some major problems, as discussed in this video, people are not holding their money back to invest in these incredible pieces. However, it's still your choice. Whether it's any smartphone or Rabbit-R1, you must see what matches your requirements, and then nothing can stop you from having that device at your home. After all, Rabbit-R1 is a steal at $199, which is way cheaper than many recent smartphones. But what else can we get in new Rabbit-R1 upgrades? For more tech updates, stay with us and keep an eye on our new videos. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment about your decision, whether you are going to purchase this new device or not. Until the next video, subscribe to our channel and stay updated with us.